Hello guys. So today we are reviewing some products which are built using AI even though it wasn't needed at all. And I love looking at the interactions about them on Reddit because they are very funny. Like people always roast such stuff on Reddit a lot. It's really fun. So one of such thing is this Barber Shop AI, but I can't tell if this is a satire or actually a genuine product because it really seems genuine to some extent. Like this seems like satire, but apart from this, it looks very genuine. And if you look at the blogs, they're also talking about what problems they are solving, like top 5 frustrations barbers face and how AI can fix them. If you read this, you'll feel like, oh, they are bullshitting us, but I think not, because this is a real issue, like no shows and late cancellations, and like what are the cons, or like what are the problems which barbers face because of that, and how AI can fix it. It sounds very utopian, but I think if you live in San Francisco or LA, then this would be your real problems which AI can solve. I think, I don't know. I don't live in US. Yeah. So this looks genuine, but I found something similar on Reddit, and it's really funny. So there's this guy. He posted, "We just built AI agent for barber shops, and you might want to read this." Okay, so let's have a look. He has built this solution using N10. Like N10 is awesome. My team just built an AI agent for barber shops that handles the entire booking process automatically from chat to Google Calendar booking. First of all, like reading this line only, you would know that this is not a real solution, because I have never seen any barber use Google Calendar for booking clients. I have never seen that. This maybe it happens somewhere in the world, but I I would be very shocked if I find this happening in India. At least I haven't seen it before. And he explains, this is the flow. Opens barber shop chat, asks for service like haircut, asks for preferred barber, checks availability in Google Calendar, finds open slot, confirms booking, asks and stores mobile number, autocorrects if wrong, books slot in calendar, remembers previous session data so it won't ask again, allows cancelling via same chat using stored number and calendar event lookup. Okay, so like if barbers are actually using calendar, this would be a really good solution, but I have never seen any barber use Google Calendar or any chat application to book. At max they would be using WhatsApp. And where I live, and most of the places where I have been, the barbers usually have a bench where people come and just sit in a queue, and one by one they take people from there. So I have never seen anyone even having appointments. Uh, some salons do that, but I have never seen any one particular barber do this. Like big salons do have appointment, and like for functions they do appointment, but never seen anything like this. And he goes on to explain features as well. Um, Handles informational queries and cancellations separately. Two agents. Emphasis on informational queries. Like what kind of information would you need from your barber? I don't know. Remembers users' data within session, verifies and matches phone numbers for confirmation, automatically finds and cancels events via Google Calendar, supports configurable barber name, shop's name, what else. So you got the idea what he's trying to do. Now let's read the comments. While there are real enterprise level, cheap and also free appointment maker solutions exist, how does a solution which relies on Google Sheets it's better than them. I'm sorry, but I'm having a hard time grasping the concept. And this guy is so full of himself, he even replies to every single comment. You are right. There are tons of free and cheap bookings tools out there. The difference isn't the tool, it's the fit. Okay. We didn't build this for everyone. Okay. It's built for barbers who don't want to mess with SaaS setups, integrations, or monthly subscriptions. They already use Google Calendar and Gmail. This plugs right into that. Let me tell you, I haven't seen any barber using any SaaS product so far. It would be revolutionary if they start using some SaaS products to book clients for the barber shop. I would be very shocked. No middleman, no extra dashboards, no tech headaches. Their data, their calendar, their control. It's amazing. Now let's look at the other guy. Seems like a lot of work for a scheduler which exists already. Exactly. Like at max, uh, I think someone would use Google Calendar at max, or they would go for a proper software uh, like the one which they use in like gyms, like gym owners use that, or people use softwares for appointment at spas and stuff like that. They can use that, but this just seems too crazy. Also, sell products already exist for this. This is just putting AI where it doesn't belong, quite frankly. Again, the world itself is a wrapper, everything exists everywhere. He keeps on explaining and like trying to defend the idea. One thing I have learned so far is that if someone is criticizing you, don't take it personally and just try to actually understand what they are trying to say. Here it's very visible that the problem is that this is not a real world solution. It's a definitely the workflow must be good. The idea itself is not a bad thing. Like it's okay, it would work if we can make it work, but I don't think many barber would like to use this. So it's not a real product. And people are telling him this for his own good, not for their own benefit. Right? And he keeps on defending just. I highly doubt a client asks for this solution. He says like client name aa gaya, so he's explaining. I highly doubt a client asked for this solution. I have worked. Whatever. Keep guessing and doubting, buddy. Lol. Well, experience tell me that where did you find this barber that knows he wanted NET and AI integrations? Because I don't think it exists. A guy from France reached out to our agency to build this. He owns a marketing agency and is working with local business. He keeps on defending. Okay, okay. There's he actually finds someone who wants it. Interesting. Or is it his other account only trying to defend more? My friend built beauty-ai.com. One of the things he told me about childhooding issues is that many barber shops use different lingo to mean different things. They are in beta now. They have done a ton of the legwork to get shops on board. Check them out to see what others in the space are doing. Okay, let's check this out if it's a real thing, because I'm very shocked. I would never find such things in India. Okay, again, it's something real. Test you plus meet the salon assistant Netflix 24 by 7. The website is amazing. Like, look at this. This seems very professional. So, I definitely do think that there must be cities in US, like in the Silicon Valley, this might work, where even the barbers are super technical and stuff, but it's a very small percentage of the whole market. Yeah. Now let's move on to the next one. I have also found this. subreddit. It's called Cast AI. Let's go through it. I wouldn't open any video for obvious reason, which is still alive, I swear. Because of this reason. Heroes based on gamer tags. No, no. 3D AI is getting better use for behind. Okay, this is literally Cast AI. Okay, what is this? Damn. Whoa. Okay. Oh damn. I don't think we should be looking at this. Okay, never mind. This was one of the funny thing. Let's check AI memes as well. Guys, I think I just solved the internet's bot problem. Are you a bot? This is a fair question, I guess, because nowadays there are more bots on the internet than actual people. So tell your boy, are you a bot? If not, love ya. Binary 01 bot, non-binary XXY, XY, male, female. Open weight models are scaring the oligarchs. AI and Anthropic sandboxing their models for exploit gym. By the way, have you guys heard about the recent Anthropic controversy? I guess not sure it was Anthropic, but there are AI companies which are training AIs on rare books, or like the books which have only one real copy left. They are using such books to train AI, and after scanning the books, they are destroying them. I don't know if it's really true or not, but if it is true, then it's really heartbreaking. Like, I'm in support of AI to the most extent that we should definitely innovate and like develop it more and use it, but we need to draw the line somewhere. Like, uh, why do you need to illegally acquire the books, and then even you are even destroying them after training the AI? So yeah, that's the bad part. Otherwise, I'm okay with it. Never mind. Yeah, this was it for this video.